We are getting some breaking inputs now. Punjab cops have been summoned by the BSF. That's the latest that we are picking up. I believe Gurpreet is joining us on the broadcast with more details. Police officers from Bhatinda, Moga, Faridkot and Firozpur have been summoned at the BSF headquarters. Earlier, reports also suggested that the central team, in fact, moved on from the site where the Prime Minister's cavalcade, the convoy, was stranded for 15-20 minutes after taking stock of the situation towards the BSF headquarters. And now we're being told that, in fact, police officers of Punjab have been summoned at the BSF headquarters. These are officers from Bhatinda, from Moga, Faridkot and Firozpur. We are trying to connect with our reporter to get you more details. Some police officers have been summoned at the BSF headquarters from Bhatinda, Moga, Faridkot and Firozpur range, essentially the areas from where the Prime Minister's convoy was supposed to reach Firozpur for the event that was scheduled, where the Prime Minister was supposed to, in fact, inaugurate several developmental projects for the state of Punjab. But the cavalcade, the convoy of the Prime Minister, was stranded there for 15 to 20 minutes, post which it had to return due to the presence of protesters on that stretch of the road. Now we are being told that some police officers have been summoned at the BSF headquarters. This could be to take more information about the entire incident, the episode which unfolded, where the Prime Minister's convoy was stranded for 15 to 20 minutes. A central team earlier also took stock of the situation from the incident site, from that stretch of the flyover where the entire incident unfolded. We have Gurpreet joining us on the broadcast. Gurpreet, now news coming in that some police officers have been summoned at the BSF headquarters. Have they been summoned by the MHA team, which reached there earlier to probe the entire incident?
Well, yes, of course, what we have seen that a lot of police officers, they have just gone inside. So what we are getting from inside the sources, they say that a lot of officers from Bhatinda towards Firozpur, whether it's from Moga, from Faridkot, they have been summoned here. They have been questioned here by MHA team because they are trying to find out from the route, from where the road route has been decided for the Prime Minister, that where there was a negligence and how many protests are being held at a various locations and where were these officers. And the main question which what we have learned from the sources inside where they are sitting inside, they say that the main question which they are being asked by again and again, that was who was the officer who had leaked that information. They are getting all the details, they are getting about their supervision, monitoring and a route map from them, so that they will see that whether the instructions were being implemented at the ground or not. So all these are being questioned by the MHA team here in the BSF camp of Firozpur. So once again, I'll request my Vijay to show the visuals of this campus where inside that investigation is going on. They have all the officers. We have seen some of the officers, they have just left from here. Some of the officers, they had just entered inside. So since morning, we have seen that MHA team is questioning all these officers, and initially they have
the MHA team is at the BSF headquarters in Firozpur, where some police officials of Punjab have been summoned. Thank you very much, Gurpreet, for the updates. With that, we're slipping into a very short break, but news and updates will continue on the other side as well. Stay on with us.